Good morning, student. Today's topic is calculation of interest on drawing. In previous lecture, we studied about how to calculate interest on capital and their formulas and some cases related to salary and commissions. Now, let's come on the topic. Interest on drawing, it is an income, that's why it comes in credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. According to their nature, all the income and gain are credit. There are three cases related to interest on drawing. Firstly, formula is interest on drawing is equal to drawing into rate into month upon 100 into 12. Case 1. If specific time period is not given. If a specific time period is not given, then interest on drawing calculated for 6 months. For example, if A withdraw rupees 20,000 during the year. Interest at the rate 10% per annum. Question is, A withdraw rupees 20,000 during the year. A time period is not specified when he withdraw 1st January, 1st March, 31st April. That is not given in question. When question is given, A withdraw rupees 20,000 during the year, interest at the rate 10% per annum, calculate interest on drawing. Then we have to calculate interest on drawing for 6 months. So interest on drawing is equal to drawing into rate into month upon 100 into 12. Drawing is here 20,000, rate 10%, month is not given, then we calculate it for 6 months, that is 1,000 rupees. 10% of 20,000 is 2,000. 2,000 for half year is equal to rupees 1,000. Second case, if specific time period is given. A specific time period is given, then formula is interest on drawing is equal to total drawing into rate into ATP, that is average time period, upon 100 into 12. Formula is total drawing into rate into ATP upon 100 into 12. ATP, that is average time period. Firstly, I tell you about the how we will calculate average time period. It may be for every month, for quarterly, it may be in begin of every month, middle of every month, or end of every month. Begin of quarterly, middle of quarterly, or end of quarterly. After that, we have to calculate total drawing. Firstly, if A withdraw, if any person withdraw, any partner withdraw beginning of every month, that means month plus 1 upon 2. If he withdraw at the month of January and closing date is December, then January month is also included in that. Then 12 plus 1 upon 2, that is 13 upon 2. If he withdraw at the middle of the month means m upon 2 yani 15 days of every month, that is 6 month. End of the month, it means if he withdraw or if partner withdraw at the month of 31st on the 31st January, that means ki 1 month was already deducted from that. It is m minus 1 is equal, then 12 minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 11 upon 2. So total drawing became drawing into month. Here may be beginning of every 6 month, beginning of every 9 month. If 6 month, if here beginning of every 6 month, then m is equal to 6. If middle of every 6 month, then m is equal to 6. Or if only given in question ke beginning of every month, then month become 12. Because in a year there are 12 months. Quarterly. Quarterly, there are, quarter means 4 part. Quarter means 4 part. So 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. If partner withdraw beginning of quarter means already starting 3 months are included, then 12 plus 3 upon 2. If partner withdraw at the end of every month means if partner withdraw on 31st March, their 3 months are excluded, that 12 minus 3 upon 2 if closing date is December, and in middle 12 upon 2. 12 plus 3 upon 2 is equal to 15 upon 2. 12 upon 2 is equal to 6. 12 minus 3 upon 2 is equal to 9 upon 2. And total drawing became drawing into quarter means how many times? 4 times. They withdraw 4 times in a year. So total drawing is equal to drawing into 4. Quarterly beginning at the time of beginning. Begin means January month is also included, where December is closing date. Then January is also included. Then starting 3 months are included. If he withdraw at the end of every quarter, it means 3 months are excluded. That is January, February and March. 3 months are excluded. That is 12 minus 3 upon 2. And if he withdraw middle of the every quarter, then 12 upon 2. For example, question number 39, here is given A withdraw rupees 4,000 in the beginning of every 6 months. So, a specific time period is given, that is beginning of every 6 months. Firstly, we have to calculate ATP. Interest on drawing at the rate 5% per annum. Formula is interest on drawing is equal to total drawing into rate into ATP upon 100 into 12. So, total drawing is equal to drawing into month. That is 4,000 into beginning of every 6 months. 4,000 into 6 is equal to 24,000. Now, ATP is for beginning is month plus 1 upon 2, that is 6 plus 1 upon 2, that is 7 upon 2. So, interest on drawing is equal to 24,000 into 5 upon 100 into 7 upon 2 into 12 according to the formula. So, interest on drawing of A is equal to rupees 350. Case 3, if there is irregular drawing when unequal amount withdraw at different date unequal amount withdraw at different date, then that is third one is product method. Formula is interest on drawing is equal to total product into rate upon 100 into 12. Now, how to calculate total product? Firstly, draw a table. In that table, there are 4 columns. Divide that table in 4 columns. First one column is for date when partner withdraw. Then second one is for amount, how much amount he withdraw in different dates. Then third one is duration, that is up to 31st March. If partner withdraw on 1st January, then 1st January rupees 1200, then time period became January to March is 3 months. Add same. After that, last one is product. Product is 1200 into 3 is equal to 3600. Same, if partner withdraw on February 1st rupees 1000, then month will be February to March is only 2 months. Amount is 2000. And if partner withdraw on March 1st, then amount of rupees 500, then there is only 1 month is remain. March 1st to 31st March is 1 month, that is 500. Then after calculate all the products, do the sum of product, that is 3600 plus 2000, 5600, 5600 plus 500 is equal to 6100. Interest rate is given in question. Then after total product into rate into 100 upon 12, you have to find out the interest on drawing of a partner. For example, question number 43 is here. Kanika and Gautam are partner doing a dry cleaning business in Lucknow, sharing profit in the ratio of 2:1 with capital 5 lakh and 4 lakh respectively. Kanika withdraw the following amount during the year to pay the hostel expense of her son. On 1st April, 10,000. On 1st June, 9,000. On 1st November, 14,000. On 1st December, 5,000. Here drawing is irregular. She withdraw on 1st April, 1st June, 1st November and 1st December. April to June, there are 2 months. June to November, so there are 4 to 5 months. November to December, there are 1 month. That is irregular time period of withdrawing the amount of drawing. That's why we have to calculate this by product method. Interest rate is given, that is calculate interest on drawing at 6% per annum, that is 6%. Now solution is here unequal amount is withdrawn by Kanika in different dates. So interest on drawing is equal to total product into rate upon 100 into 12. For calculating total product, date is given firstly 1st April, then 1st June, then 1st November, then 1st December. In this question, closing date is 31st March. Kanika withdraw on 1st April rupees 10,000. She withdraw on 1st June 9,000. On 1st November 14,000 and on 1st December 5,000. April to March there are 12 months. June to March there are 10 months. November to March there are 5 months. And December to March there are 4 months. Now product 10,000 into 12 is equal to 1,20,000. 9,000 into 10 is equal to 90,000. 14,000 into 5 is equal to 70,000. And 5,000 into 4 is equal to 20,000. Now total product is 120 plus 90 plus 70 plus 20 is equal to 3 lakh. Now formula is interest on drawing is equal to total product into rate upon 100 into 12. The interest on drawing of Kanika is equal to rupees 3 lakh. Total product is rupees 3 lakh. Interest rate is 6%. According to formula, there is 1 upon 12. So amount of Kanika's interest on drawing is equal to rupees 1500. But in same question, second one partner is Gautam. Gautam withdraw rupees 15,000 on the first day of April, July, October and January. April to July 3 months, July to October 3 months, October to January 3 months, January to March, that is 3 months. It means he withdraw quarter, beginning of each quarter. First day of April, July, October and January means beginning of each quarter. That's why interest on drawing calculated as per second case, there is a specific time period is given, time interval is regular. In this situation, there are irregular time period for Kanika, but Gautam withdraw in regular time period, that is quarterly. A beginning of each quarter. According to the question, interest on drawing is 6%. Now solution is, in Gautam's interest on drawing is equal to, formula is total drawing into rate into ATP upon 100 into 12. Gautam withdraw beginning of every quarter, then ATP is equal to 12 plus 3. Beginning of every quarter means 3 months are included. 12 plus 3 is equal to 15 upon 2, that is 7.5. Total drawing is equal to drawing into month. How many times he withdraw? He withdraw for 4 times. That is 15,000 into 4 is equal to 60,000. Now interest on drawing is equal to 60,000 into 6 into 15 upon 100 into 2 into 12. That is 16,000 is a total drawing, 6 is rate and ATP is 15 upon 2 upon 100 into 12. The total amount of interest on drawing of Gautam is rupees 2250. So, okay, thank you. Have a nice day.